Nobody wants to be out here dry. So hi you guys. First of all, I want to say I hope everyone is safe and I hope everyone is practicing social distancing. I've been to Target, I've been to Jewel's, and they even are putting out like little parameters so that you can actually practice social distancing. But I wanted to make a video all about the importance of moisture, our skin's natural moisture. What is our skin's natural moisture? And then also moisturizers. First of all, I want to talk about our skin's natural moisture. Our skin has its own natural moisture, and it's actually known as the acid mantle, but you also have probably heard people say moisture barrier. So our moisture barrier is comprised of fatty lipids, and lipids are fatty substances that help to keep our skin moisturized. So that is our skin's natural oil, which is called sebum. It's also a mixture of ceramides, which also keep the skin nice and moisturized, and then also fatty acids. These things also mixed in with our own sweat and other nutrients, they actually create a protective layer for our skin, and it actually helps us to protect us from harmful external elements like UV exposure, pollution, everything and anything that wants to just throw us shade. Our barrier is there, and it actually protects us. It also protects us from harmful bacteria within. So our moisture barrier is so important. So I didn't mention, but our moisture barrier also protects us from transdermal water loss. But as we get older, our skin gets a lot thinner, and the thinner the skin, the drier the skin is. So we need to make sure that we are really, locking in moisture. I need it! I want to talk about moisturizers, the most important skincare products. So I'm going to talk about a couple of moisturizers for certain skin types and then what to look for. FYI, for all you people that are normal, get in where you fit in. And I'm going to start from a low end all the way to the high end. First, I'm going to start with moisturizers for my oily, combo, and acneic skin type. What you want to look for generally is a oil-free moisturizer. I just go with oil-free just because sometimes essential oils can cause irritation. Go for something that's lightweight. I like gel moisturizers. Gels sink into the skin really easily, also are really cooling. A couple great moisturizers that I like. First moisturizer is Neutrogena Hydro Gel. This moisturizer is really good. This has hyaluronic acid, a humectant, so I want you to keep that word in mind. A humectant is an ingredient that helps to draw and bind water to the skin. This one is a lightweight gel, really nice, goes for like I think 18 bucks. The next moisturizer is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Watermelon is high in water content. It's going to provide excellent hydration. This one also has hyaluronic acid or sodium hyaluronic. Also has wheat protein. Last moisturizer that I have, I actually think this is great for all skin types, and that would be the Murad Nutrient Water Gel. Love this moisturizer. First of all, it's a gel cream. This is the bad bee at the party. It's oil free, has 7 minerals in it. It has peptides. If you don't know, peptides are proteins and they help to hydrate and plumpen the skin. So for my people that have more of a drier or mature or more of like a sensitive skin condition, I have a couple moisturizers for you as well. People that have more of a drier skin type, you want both humectants and emollients. I told you humectants are ingredients that help to draw and bind water to the skin. Emollients help to soften and moisturize the skin. First would be the Neutrogena Hydro Gel Cream. This is the sister to the Hydro Gel. It has hyaluronic acid in it. The next moisturizer I want to mention is the Belief Moisture Bomb. It has glycerin. Glycerin is one of the well-known humectants. So that was all the moisturizers I have for more of my drier, mature, or sensitive skin type. Hopefully you gained some knowledge out of this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, bye-bye.